The Moonwalk is an incredibly special cocktail that was created in 1969 by Joe Gilmore of the American bar at the Savoy for the Apollo 11 moon landing. In fact, there was a conversation between Mission Control in Houston and Neil Armstrong on the moon which said, "We've got a drink here for you when you get back," from Joe Gilmore. And Neil Armstrong reportedly said, "Can you not get Joe to come up here and make it for us?" Now, the reason I know that as well is because apparently NASA sent Joe a typed out version on NASA-headed paper of the whole conversation. And I was fortunate enough to hear that story when I had lunch with him and Peter Torelli and Victor Gower some years ago. Now, between those three gentlemen, they have over 100 years experience of working at the Savoy Hotel, and it was a very wonderful time for me to get the opportunity to spend that lunch with them, and something I will never forget. But this cocktail is also truly wonderful, so if you'd like to know how to make it, let's have a look and I'll show you how you do it.